got a Airbus A330. Get straightened up. There we go. E330. All the way over there. Then if you come over here, we get an barrier. Can't tell which one this is because I'm not good with my barriers. Then we come over here, we get a 757. My camera's about to die, so we got an barrier 900, I think, right here. Let me get well with this camera. This might even be a 700 for right now. But yeah, that's a 900. That looks like a 900. You got that over there. Then we get a plane that just took a Delta just took off. There we go. Focus. There we go. There we go. Here, if we come back here, here's the Airbus A330. And I'm gonna stop this right about now. What's up, guys? This is part 2 from my last one. They're doing some maintenance work like right here. It's sick, it's cool and all. Whoa, my camera just wobbled. Look at that. Look at that. And if you come over here, they're doing it on this Airbus A330 too. We got 2 Airbus A330s over here. We got a giraffe over there still. That giraffe's still over there. Nothing really good landed except the Korean Air. Oh, is that 747? Yeah, a Korean Air 777. And there's a 747 all the way back there, which is sick. That's basically it. Nothing. Oh, we got Southwest, I think, just landed. Zoom out, zoom out. There we go. There we go. Southwest just landed. We got a plane. Which one is this? I hate using the word plane. I know it. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. That's an Airbus. That's an Airbus A320. It looks like. We got an Airbus A320. What the fuck? Oh my God! Stop wobbling. There we go. Come on, come on. B1, rotate, positive right, gear up. There we go. Put the gears up, god damn it. There we go. Now let's go back all the way over here. Basically, I'm probably gonna end it right here, actually. Yeah, because there's nothing else gonna land. So, I'm gonna end it in 3, 2, 1. See you guys. Time to open up the magical door. Ooh. Okay, so the 2 Airbuses are still here, right here. They're just running the engines now, and there's a 737 about to take off. Come on, B1, rotate, positive right, gear up. Hey, I'm good at the positive rate stuff. Ooh, let's see. It's a car. What is this? Come on. Is that a giraffe? That's a giraffe. So this is just gonna be a mini one, a miniature one. But hope you guys enjoyed this. Not as much as my other ones, but just hope you guys enjoy any of my content. See you guys. I'm probably gonna stop it now. See ya. Subscribe. Donut, donut, donut. Donut, donut. Why is it still zooming in? Only 50. Oh my God, it's so windy. What are they doing? go. Come on, focus. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh my god. Do I just have to do this again? There we go. They're doing some more repairs on that. That looks like a 767. And where's the here we go. Here's a 717. One beautiful plane. 737 just landed. Where is it? There he is. Oh. There we go. You know what I say? That's what I say. It totally just blurs. Focus. That's what I say. I say fly Delta Jets. That's what I say. Fly Delta Jets. Hell yeah. I wonder if you say hell yeah, I wonder if that demonetizes your videos. I don't know. And then you get them YouTube ad revenue, whatever you call it these days. To the southwest right there. Taxiing. Can't see anything. We see a mad dog about to take off. Here it is. Hey. Positive rate, gear up. There we go. And yeah, I might do one more tonight, but that is basically all. So yeah, probably edit one in or not. Just make the I might make a whole big long thing, or I might just upload them separately. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, see ya maybe in a little bit.